children, welcome back to another session of class 10 revision. Today's our topic is quadratic formula. By using formula, how to find quadratic equation solution, that we will see. Before going into solution, first we will see proof of formula. How the formula has come, the proof we'll see first, right? So as we know, as we discussed in last class, general form of a quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. This is general form of a quadratic equation where condition is a not equals to 0 and abc belongs to R. Okay, now we'll prove it. We'll prove formula, right? Now first this equation I will divide with a. So if you divide with a, ax square by a, so each term you have to divide by a. Okay, now here a gets cancelled. Send this c by a to the other side. So x square plus b by a into x is equals to minus c by a. Now see here, a square is here. So we can convert this into a square plus 2ab plus b square, so that this equation or expression becomes a plus b whole square. See, I want to convert this into a square plus 2ab plus b square, so that expression will become a plus b whole square. Now I have my a square. I want 2ab. So x square, here x is a, right? So 2ab, I will write 2 first, into a is there already, that is x, into what term is there here, that you write here by a. So when you multiply it with 2, you have to divide with 2 also. So I will write here. So 2 gets cancelled. What remains is b by a into x. So this value doesn't change. I multiplied and divide with 2. Okay. So next, I want b square. So what is my b here? B by 2a. So b by 2a whole square. When you add, you have to subtract also. So minus b by 2a whole square is equals to minus c by a. Now this is a plus b whole square. That is x plus b by 2a whole square is equal to, send this term to the other side. This is positive. This is negative. If you send to other side, it becomes positive. So b square by 2a whole square is 4a square minus c by a. So do LCM here. 4a square a, LCM is 4a square. So I will do here x plus b by 2a whole square is equals to, LCM is 4a square. So 4a square already is there. So we will get b square minus. So here only a is there. So what to get 4a square, we have to multiply with 4a. So 4a into c, that is 4a c. Now send apply root on both sides, or send square to the other side. Transposition it will become square root. So x plus b by 2a is equals to, every root will have two values, that is b square minus 4ac by 4a square is a perfect square. So you will get 2a. 4 square root is 2, a square root is a. Okay. Now b by 2a is there, send to the other side. So x is equals to minus b by 2a plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now x value is, see here, denominator is same. So we can write common denominator, that is 2a. So minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. So this is a proof of quadratic formula. Now by using this formula, how to find quadratic equations roots will do now. Okay, so this is the proof of quadratic formula. This is all existing in our textbook. So little detail I done here. So if you want, you can copy this. This is a repeated question. I done this by using completing square method. That topic is not there in this here. So this is proof of quadratic formula. Okay, next topic, we'll see usage of this formula. How to use this formula to find solution. Now we'll see how to use the quadratic formula to find the roots of these two quadratic equations. Okay, first we'll solve this question. Now every quadratic equation we have to compare with standard form. So what is the standard form? Ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0. This is my standard form. So a is not equals to 0. Now what is the value of a here? In front of x square means coefficient of x square is a here. Coefficient of x square is 2. Sometimes children will write 2x square. Variable you should not write. You should write only coefficient. That is 2. Now b value is 7. C is minus 4. We have quadratic formula, that is x equals to minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay, this is our quadratic formula. Just substitute these values here. X is equals to minus b. So b value is 7. So minus 7 plus or minus b square is 7 square minus 4 into a. A is 2 and c is minus 4. A is 2 and c is minus 4 divided by 2 into a. How much again? 2. So this is substitution. Now we have to just calculate it over. 7 square is 49, minus of minus is plus. Okay, 4 4s are 16. 16 plus 16 into 2, 32. So write 32 here divided by 4. Now just calculate this. Minus 7 plus or minus root over 42 plus 49 plus 32 is 81 divided by 4. Okay, remaining part I will do here. So x is equals to minus 7 plus or minus root 81. 81 is a perfect square. Which one's perfect square is that? Is 9. So root 81 is 9 divided by 4. So x value, so here plus or minus, one term is plus, another is minus. So just split it. First I will take plus and next I will take minus. Okay, so x value 9 minus 7 is 2. Here minus 7 minus 9 is minus 16 by 4. So x value is 1 by 2 comma, this is minus 4. Okay, this is how we use quadratic formula to find solutions. Instead of factorization method, this is another method to solve quadratic equation. See, we got two roots. Again you can do verification. If you substitute 1 by 2 or minus 4, you will get value as 0. Okay, this is question, first question. We'll see next question now, how to do it. Now second question is x square minus 2x minus 3 is equals to 0. Again I will write my standard form, that is ax square plus bx plus c is equals to 0, where a not equals to 0. Just compare now. See here, this is a monic quadratic equation. No coefficient is visible here, x square only is there. So it means its coefficient is 1. So a value is 1. If you don't have any coefficient in front of x square, value is 1. So you can write 1. A value is 1. B is minus 2 and C is minus 3. So again write quadratic formula minus b plus or minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a minus b. So here already minus is here, b value is minus 2 plus or minus root b square is minus 2 whole square minus 4 into a is 1 and c is minus 3 divided by 2a. So 2 into 1. This value much minus of minus 2 is 2. So plus or minus 2 whole square is 4. Minus of minus plus 4 3s is 12. X value is 2 plus or minus root over 4 plus 12 is 16. Is 16 a perfect square? Yes, it is a perfect square. So root 16 value is 4. So x is equals to 2 plus or minus root 16 is 4 by 2. Again split. 2 plus 4 by 2 and next value is another value 2 minus 4 by 2. So x value here 6 by 2, next value here minus 2 by 2. X value how much here? 3. Here x is minus 1. So these two are the solutions of given quadratic equation. If you want you can verify also with 3 or 1. So 3 if you substitute 3 square is 9 minus 2 3s are 6 minus 3 equals to 0. See here 9 minus 9 minus 6 minus 3 is minus 9. So 0 is equals to 0, verified. Okay. So even minus 1 also will satisfy the given quadratic equation. If you want you can check. Minus 1 whole square is 1. So minus 2 into minus 1 minus 3 is equals to 0. This is minus of minus is plus 2 minus 3. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 minus 3 is 0. So in both cases it's satisfied. This is verification. If you got doubt on your solution you can verify like this. Okay. This is how we find quadratic equation roots by using formula. Okay. In next class we will see nature of roots, children. So today's our topic is completed. This is how proof of quadratic formula and how to use that quadratic formula. We will see in next class nature of roots. Thank you. Have a good day.